Hello mga kababayan, Happy New Year sa ating lahat. O ito, 'di ba sinasabi nga ni Congressman Leviste na meron nga daw 2 million na bonus yung mga congressman at meron po siyang ebidensya, no? May ebidensya siya dahil pinikturan niya mismo yung cheque na pinamimigay para sa mga congressman. Panoorin po natin itong interview niya sa One News PH. Kaya siguro talagang kaliwat kanan yung pambabatikos dito kasi nga mautak din. Talagang nagaano siya ng ebidensya. So ngayon, no, kapag talagang hinamon siya, pwede niyang ilabas yung napicturan niyang cheque na bonus daw ng mga congressman at sana maipakita niya yan sa public dahil nga itong sino ba to? Si Congressman Terry Ridon, hinahamon. Hinahamon na pwede daw siyang ma-ethics committee. So pakinggan natin itong naging interview na to ni Congressman Leviste. Alam niyo mga kababayan, no? Talaga kung gusto niyo talaga ng pagbabago niyo, pakinggan natin. Pakinggan natin yung newcomer na to. Na gusto lang naman ng pagbabago kasi nga nasusuka na siya. Dahil nga syempre siguro lumaki siya sa mga magulang niya is mga politician. At alam niya na talaga kung ano yung kalakaran. Ano ba sabi ng nanay niya? 'Di ba? Sabi ni Senador Loren sa kanya dapat daw makisama siya. So yun ang ginagawa ni Senator Loren Legarda kahit na may nakikita na silang pagkakamali. Kunwari galit sila, kunwari ganito, kunwari ganyan, puro kayong mga pero bulag sila. Bulag sila sa nangyayari kahit na alam na nilang bulok na yung sistema ng politiko sa Pilipinas. 'Di ba? So pakinggan natin ito.
House Appropriations Chairperson Mika Swansing already denied that any incentive was given to lawmakers to vote on the national budget.
If I can mention this for the first time in public on your show, I started questioning this in October because I was shocked that on the day that we were supposed to vote for the budget was when the 1.5 billion pesos was being given out. And they're not saying that you'll get the money if you vote in favor of the budget, but they time it on the same day. Also, maybe because it ensures that there's going to be quorum. And when I saw the checks, I took a picture of them, which I have, and then they started panicking and calling people to call me, please not to share that with the public. And I am just saying this to explain that there's so much secrecy about these allowances. And by the way, maybe I am just taking the opportunity also to say this now because it's December 30, but that this is my response to the question. Because, okay, first, untrue, there are these bonuses. And to then answer the question of, if not this then, should be, then what are the bonuses? Because as I said, there's an 18.58 billion peso a year MOOE fund. And that was actually around 10 point something billion in the National Expenditure Program. Congress increased it by 7.8. So the basic expenses of the House are already covered in the initial budget. We increased it by 7.8. Dividing that by 318 congressmen is around 24 million pesos per congressman per year. So that alone is probably the bonuses that are paid, or other consultancies that are non-core that are paid by Congress every year.
So the check is still with you, or
It's in the Committee on Accounts because I have said that I will not take it because I disagree with it. But my point is, anyone who disputes that there are bonuses should answer then, where does the 18 billion pesos go? Because there is no breakdown. I have asked the Committee on Accounts to bring a breakdown, and that's when they started calling people to tell me not to ask about it.
maybe
Because
maybe
it's
another term could be
unlimited.
coined for it, not Christmas bonus, but something else.
Well, I think Deputy Speaker Ronnie Puno for admitting that there is this MOOE, but he says that it goes to our constituents because there are many people that ask for solicitation for a Christmas party in our districts in Christmas time. But if it's used for legitimate means, my point is simply, why are we not just going to be transparent to the public about it and even give a breakdown of where the 18 billion pesos goes? Because it's being liquidated largely by certification. And I would also add this, the reason why I'm personally invested in exposing this is because a lot of the social media trolls are being funded by MOOE. And I can say this because you can Google that there's a CARE program where congressmen are given 10 to 100 slots to hire keyboard warriors. But they wouldn't call them keyboard warriors, of course, but they're people who have training seminars in the House. This is all on the internet to be trained on how to defend Congress. And I don't think that it's right that public funds are being used to attack critical government.
So, ito mga kababayan, no, yung sinabi nga ni Congressman Leviste na CARE Program of Congress. Sinerch ko sa Google, meron nga siya. CARE Program of Congress refers to different initiatives, most prominently the Congressional Assistance, Response, and Education Care Program in the Philippines for modernizing legislative support and U.S. legislative efforts like the People Care Act, H.R. 150 for reforming welfare programs. There are also bills such as the Build Housing and Care Act and the Complete Care Act, focusing on housing, child care, and health access, showing care often signifies support, access, or reform in various legislative contexts. So, kung meron nito, bakit nga hindi nila ayaw nilang maging transparent? 'Di ba? Yung transparency ba, ipakita nila kung saan talaga nagagastos yung pera, tama bang binibigay sa kanilang mga constituents, 'di ba? Magkano? Kasi bilyones yung ginagastos nila dito. Tama lang naman yung panawagan. 'Di ba? Ni Congressman Leviste na dapat tingnan natin kung saan talaga napupunta yung budget ng taong bayan. Tama ba yung binibigay? Tama ba yung tinutulungan? Baka kung saan-saan lang napupunta nga yung mga bilyones na budget ng Pilipinas. 'Di ba? O ito, pindutin natin to. O ito siya. Makikita ninyo. Lowering families' cost and expanding access to care. Child care is often a family's biggest monthly expense. Parents need a wide range of affordable quality child care option that helps them fit their family's unique needs. Child Care Modernization Act, Child Care Workforce and Facilities Act, supporting child care providers and increasing the supply of child care. Child Care Workforce Act. So, tama nga. Meron nga silang tawag dito programa na ganito. So, bakit palihim? Magkano yung nagagastos nyo dito? 'Di ba? Asan yung pera? Magkano yung tawag dito binibigay nyo sa mga tao, sa mga constituents ninyo na tinutulungan nyo? So, ayun mga kababayan, talagang wag natin itong palampasin yung mga ganitong mga pasabog ni Congressman Leviste kasi nga unang-una, yung sinabi niyang meron nga siyang cheque, pinakita sa kanyang cheque, pinicturean niya yung cheque, abangan natin kung i-deny yan ng mga kasamahan niya sa Kongreso, sana ipakita niya, i-post niya sa kanyang Facebook page para makita ng mga tao at sasabihin din na nagsasabi siya ng totoo, hindi lang siya nagsisinungaling. 'Di ba? So ano yung masasabi niyo dito sa mga pasabog na ito? ni Congressman Liviste. Alam mo talagang napakatapang ng bata na to, ha. Grabe. Sa totoo lang. Grabe kung ano sa'yo, salute sa'yo. Ang dami nang naiinis sa'yo. Ngayon meron ka na, baka ikaw yung susunod na masuspend. Baka ikaw yung susunod kay Kong Meow Meow. Masuspindi ka ng mga kasamahan mo dyan. Pero sana sana nga talaga, tawag dito, hindi ka masira ng husto. Kasi kaliwat kanan na yung paninira sa'yo ngayon. So ayan mga kababayan, ano masasabi nyo dito? No? Abangan natin, ha? Kung ano yung mangyayari dito. Magtutuloy-tuloy ba tong si Congressman Liviste? Katulad lang din ito ni Secretary Vince na, sige, pwede na tayo maging transparent tayo, pakita natin kung magkano. Ngayon, tahimik, 'di ba? Nakapagbakasyon pa sa France. Ay, God bless ating lahat mga kababayan. Ingat palagi. Happy New Year!